Oxford Business Group has now launched the report Bahrain 2023. This, the 17th edition of the group's annual business intelligence report, explores Bahrain's efforts to diversify its economy, boost investment, and advance the energy transition. In particular, the report Bahrain 2023 explores the policy initiatives and regulatory reforms that are attracting investment into high-potential sectors, including tourism, ICT, logistics, and financial technology. It also shines a spotlight on the kingdom's manufacturing activities, with a specific focus on the aluminium segment and its pivotal role in supporting the development of Bahrain's downstream production and export capacity. The report also evaluates progress towards the targets outlined in the kingdom's economic recovery plan, which has a key role to play in ensuring that new growth is achieved against a backdrop of fiscal and economic stability. Fiscal sustainability measures appear to be bearing fruit, with Bahrain posting its largest current account surplus in decades in 2022 at 15.4% of GDP compared to 6.6% of GDP in 2021. This was the result of a 52% rise in government revenue, in part due to increased oil and VAT receipts. Bahrain's transport infrastructure pipeline is another focal point, with details provided of the major projects that will strengthen connectivity and support the country's aim to become an international logistics centre. These include plans for a new causeway linking Bahrain and Saudi Arabia. In particular, the report looks at the kingdom's new guide for public-private partnerships, which is designed to enable the government to benefit from private sector expertise and agility, reduce strain on the national budget, and to improve transparency in public entities' business interactions with the private sector. As well as supporting commerce and trade, improvements in transport connectivity should also enable growth in the tourism sector, with Bahrain aiming to attract 14.1 million overseas visitors to the kingdom annually by 2026 as part of its medium-term plan for the sector. Other topical issues examined include the kingdom's plans for navigating the energy transition by increasing the focus on renewables in line with its 2060 net zero target, whilst also leveraging its remaining hydrocarbons resources. Here, the report details the ongoing restructuring of the energy sector as the kingdom seeks to optimize its assets and invest in advanced technologies and clean energy solutions. While focusing on environmental sustainability, the report also details plans to ensure economic growth is inclusive and broad-based, with a focus on the progress of the National Labour Market Plan and efforts to ensure Bahrainis are equipped with the skills required in the future labour market. Read the report Bahrain 2023 for insights into these topics and more from our on-the-ground experts, as well as insights from key government figures and leaders of both public and private sector companies.